The sea tidied the debris ashore. Laut membuang puing-puing ke darat. The sea tidied the debris ashore. The sea tidied the debris ashore. Now it's my turn to choose. Sekarang giliranku untuk memilih. Now it's my turn to choose. Now it's my turn to choose. Choose a dish with a tight-fitting lid. Pilih wadah yang tutupnya rapat. Choose a dish with a tight-fitting lid. Choose a dish with a tight-fitting lid. Of two evils, choose the least. Dari dua keburukan, pilihlah yang paling sedikit. Of two evils, choose the least. Of two evils, choose the least. I'll stay as long as I choose. Aku akan tinggal selama aku mau. I'll stay as long as I choose. I'll stay as long as I choose. She was hit on the head by flying debris. Kepalanya terkena pecahan-pecahan yang berterbangan. She was hit on the head by flying debris. She was hit on the head by flying debris. I don't want to have to choose between them. Saya tidak ingin harus memilih di antara keduanya. I don't want to have to choose between them. I don't want to have to choose between them. You choose, I can't decide. Kamu yang pilih, aku tidak bisa memutuskan. You choose, I can't decide. You choose, I can't decide. Make sure you choose wisely. Pastikan Anda memilih dengan bijak. Make sure you choose wisely. Make sure you choose wisely. I cannot choose but wait. Saya tidak bisa memilih selain menunggu. I cannot choose but wait. I cannot choose but wait. There are many versions to choose from. Ada banyak versi untuk dipilih. There are many versions to choose from. There are many versions to choose from. She was hit by flying debris from the blast. Dia terkena serpihan yang berterbangan akibat ledakan. She was hit by flying debris from the blast. She was hit by flying debris from the blast. The selection committee will choose a new captain at the next meeting. Panitia seleksi akan memilih kapten baru pada pertemuan berikutnya. The selection committee will choose a new captain at the next meeting. The selection committee will choose a new captain at the next meeting. Which shirt would you choose? Kemeja mana yang akan Anda pilih? Which shirt would you choose? Which shirt would you choose? They chose her as a team captain. Mereka memilihnya sebagai kapten tim. They chose her as the team captain. They chose her as the team captain. She was chosen from a long list of people. Dia dipilih dari daftar panjang orang. She was chosen from a long list of people. She was chosen from a long list of people. We've chosen a different time to go. Kami telah memilih waktu yang berbeda untuk pergi. We've chosen a different time to go. We've chosen a different time to go. He was chosen because he's qualified for the job. Dia dipilih karena dia memenuhi syarat untuk pekerjaan itu. He was chosen because he's qualified for the job. He was chosen because he's qualified for the job. Several people were injured by flying debris in the explosion. Beberapa orang terluka akibat serpihan yang berterbangan akibat ledakan tersebut. Several people were injured by flying debris in the explosion. Several people were injured by flying debris in the explosion. You can choose from among a number of alternatives. Anda dapat memilih di antara sejumlah alternatif. You can choose from among a number of alternatives. You can choose from among a number of alternatives. He chose his words carefully. Dia memilih kata-katanya dengan hati-hati. He chose his words carefully. He chose his words carefully. How do I choose when there's so much available? Bagaimana saya memilih jika ada begitu banyak pilihan yang tersedia? How do I choose when there's so much available? How do I choose when there's so much available? The political party chose a leader. Partai politik memilih seorang pemimpin. The political party chose a leader. The political party chose a leader. Let everyone choose for themselves. Biarkan setiap orang memilih sendiri. Let everyone choose for themselves. Let everyone choose for themselves. You need to choose a lipstick to wear. Kamu harus memilih lipstick yang akan dipakai. You need to choose a lipstick to wear. You need to choose a lipstick to wear. She chooses the blue car. Dia memilih mobil biru. She chooses the blue car. She chooses the blue car. I hope they choose me as a candidate. Saya berharap atau semoga mereka memilihku sebagai kandidat. I hope they choose me as a candidate. I hope they choose me as a candidate. To choose time is to save time. Memilih waktu berarti menghemat waktu. To choose time is to save time. To choose time is to save time. Choose an author as you choose a friend. Pilihlah seorang penulis seperti Anda memilih seorang teman. Choose an author as you choose a friend. Choose an author as you choose a friend. He will choose a college major next year. Dia akan memilih jurusan kuliah tahun depan. He will choose a college major next year. He will choose a college major next year. Rainfall had dislodged debris from the slopes of the volcano. Curah hujan telah mencabut atau mengeluarkan puing-puing dari lereng gunung berapi. Rainfall had dislodged debris from the slopes of the volcano. Rainfall had dislodged debris from the slopes of the volcano. Choose a life of action, not one of ostentation. Pilihlah kehidupan yang penuh aksi, bukan kehidupan yang penuh pamer. Choose a life of action, not one of ostentation. Choose a life of action, not one of ostentation. You can choose your friends, but you can't choose your family. Kamu bisa memilih temanmu, tetapi kamu tidak bisa memilih keluargamu. You can choose your friends, but you can't choose your family. You can choose your friends, but you can't choose your family. Choose a wife rather by your heart than your eyes. Pilihlah istri berdasarkan hatimu, bukan matamu. Choose a wife rather by your heart than your eyes. Choose a wife rather by your heart than your eyes. It is always important to choose enjoyable, nutritious foods. Selalu penting untuk memilih makanan yang lezat dan bergizi. It is always important to choose enjoyable, nutritious foods. It is always important to choose enjoyable, nutritious foods. I'm going to choose what to order after seeing the menu. Saya akan memilih apa yang akan dipesan setelah melihat menunya. I'm going to choose what to order after seeing the menu. I'm going to choose what to order after seeing the menu. Whom did you choose for our team leader? Siapa yang Anda pilih sebagai pemimpin tim kita? Whom did you choose for our team leader? Whom did you choose for our team leader? Stop dithering and choose which one you want. Berhentilah ragu-ragu dan pilih mana yang Anda inginkan. Stop dithering and choose which one you want. Stop dithering and choose which one you want. Always choose firm but ripe fruit. Selalu pilih buah yang keras tetapi matang. Always choose firm but ripe fruit. Always choose firm but ripe fruit. Choose medium to large tomatoes. Pilih tomat berukuran sedang hingga besar. Choose medium to large tomatoes. Choose medium to large tomatoes. Choose whichever of them you like best. Pilih mana saja yang paling Anda suka. Choose whichever of them you like best. Choose whichever of them you like best. They choose us from a large number of students. Mereka memilih kami dari sejumlah besar siswa. They choose us from a large number of students. They choose us from a large number of students. Why did you choose to live in Bali? Mengapa Anda memilih tinggal di Bali? Why did you choose to live in Bali? Why did you choose to live in Bali? There are plenty of restaurants to choose from. Ada banyak restoran untuk dipilih. There are plenty of restaurants to choose from. There are plenty of restaurants to choose from. Why did you choose that day in particular? Mengapa Anda memilih hari itu secara khusus? Why did you choose that day in particular? Why did you choose that day in particular? It took us ages to choose a new carpet. Butuh waktu lama bagi kami untuk memilih karpet baru. It took us ages to choose a new carpet. It took us ages to choose a new carpet. I helped him choose the furniture for his house. Saya membantunya memilih perabotan untuk rumahnya. I helped him choose the furniture for his house. I helped him choose the furniture for his house. You must choose between the two girls. Anda harus memilih di antara kedua gadis itu. You must choose between the two girls. You must choose between the two girls. Many old people choose to live in shelter accommodation. Banyak orang tua memilih tinggal di tempat penampungan. Many old people choose to live in sheltered accommodation. Many old people choose to live in sheltered accommodation. There was an infinite variety of drinks to choose from. Ada banyak sekali jenis minuman yang dapat dipilih. There was an infinite variety of drinks to choose from. There was an infinite variety of drinks to choose from.